fucking truth.
So what about Trump?
Oh my God.
Well, the Trump is a good man. He's a very good man. I tell you, he is. You take Donald Trump. He's a proud American. He did everything just like America. You know, and I tell you something else. His name means teaching responsibility upon minority people. Obama stood for one big ass mistake, America. And I tell you something. And I'm telling you something else. I tell you something else. Hillary Clinton's a whore.
A what?
A whore?
A war.
She's a whore.
Spell it.
You know, whore. W-H, you know what the hell I'm saying. She's a whore. Because listen, she was in bed with the Russians.
Oh.
Yeah, she was. She sold our fucking country out with those emails. Whatever happened to all those fucking emails she had? You know what I mean? Nobody wants to talk about that. They want to talk about everything else, but what happened to her in Benghazi when she let our own Americans spill their American blood over there on America and foreign soil? I'm proud to be American. I'm proud that Donald Trump is there to stand up for us. Yes, ma'am.
Don't encourage him, please don't.
What you gonna say? What you
You're
gonna
going to say that Obama was a mistake?
Yeah, he was.
OB.
For 8 years he was a mistake?
OB
is O. One.
Big ass.
Big.
One, that's what his name spelled.
Mistake, America.
That's what his name spelled.
And what you say, Hillary's a hoe?
Oh, yeah, she is. She's a whore.
A war.
She's a whore. Her and Jesse Jackson had a thing going on.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's what she
That
is.
being a hoe.
But what Trump stand for?
And you know what? When Bill Clinton, he's a piece of shit too. Because he was going to go to Camp David one time, and Hillary said, "Hey, you want to take your saxophone?" He says, "No, I'm going to take my harmonica."
Hey, but what Trump stand for?
Teaching responsibility upon minority people.
Teaching responsibility for not.
Teaching responsibility
Upon minority
people.
Yeah.
That's what he's doing.
Like we don't have responsibility without his help.
You know.
That's always.
I'm not trying to, listen, I'm not trying to get you people upset or anything like that, but you people are the originators of Welfare Queen.
No, we're not.
Oh, yes, you are.
Why are you encouraging?
Vacation skin is the queen of those people that gets the money. And if they're not, then the next one's falling in line after that. That's them.
So you're saying you never got public assistance?
I probably had one time or another, but so what?
Well, I paid for that.
So did I. I worked just as well as you.
Do you know how it fucking pissed me off to see you people go in a grocery store, you don't have to look at prices and you just put in a fucking shopping cart? And I got the budget, everything. You people don't even use coupons. You know what? You got the fucking food stamps.
What they eat? They be getting crab legs.
Oh, they crab legs, the Omaha steaks. They don't even buy shrimp. They buy prawns. Some big fucking prawns. Fucking thing. They don't buy shrimp. They buy prawns. They're just fucking big.
What are they?
Prawns.
I ain't never heard of that.
Well, they a real big one. You probably, you never heard of it, huh? Sure. I'm going to the store and buying catfish nuggets. They go in there and buying tilapia, salmon, all these other fucking things I can't afford.
Well, yeah. Well, all right, man. Well, all right, Mr. Supporter.
Yeah?
We it's good talking to you.
Yeah, it's good talking to you too, motherfucker.